Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to basically maintain your Kettle barbecue. We're going to take out the grills, we're going to clean everything properly, put it all back together and get ready for our next cook. You don't want to miss this one. Alright guys, so one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to open up our Kettle grill. And this was dirty from the last cook I did. First thing we're going to do is take off the grate. And we'll knock down any ash from the existing. Well, those ones are still good to go, so we'll just take those out. Now I'm going to be using some S.O.S sill wool pads. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to push all the ash down into the ash catcher, and then I'm going to put some water in the S.O.S pad and rub out the bowl. Let's take out the charcoal grate. And first I'm going to just take all the ash and push it back into there. All these little chunks you could keep, and you could just keep reusing them. I just put them into my charcoal baskets. So my ash catcher just comes out like this. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go get rid of this stuff, and I'll be right back to get the rest. Alright, so now that we got it all cleaned out, what we're going to do is we get a little bit of water and we're going to pour it in there and start using our S.O.S pad to clean out the bowl. Now just take the S.O.S pad. Took out the ashtray or the ash gather here, and I'm just going to clean that out too. Put your charcoal grate back in, get that one a quick wipe down. Now this grill, I won't do a very good job because I'm going to put it in with some charcoal and heat it up, and then I'm going to clean the grill that way, but just give it a quick wipe right now too, why not? Here we go. Now we're going to get our garden hose and we're going to just rinse everything off really well and then dry it off. And then once you put the water on it, you can really start to see where the places that you missed. So you can just kind of go over those real quick. There you go, all done, nice and cleaned up and ready to be dried off. So now that everything's all washed out, you can put your tray back. And you can move it back to the area where you kind of keep your barbecue. I just moved it out here. That's a nice spot where I can clean and not have to worry about anything. The top's still kind of dirty, but what I'll do is I'll just grab a cloth when I wipe this down. I'll just wipe everything down now and get it nice and dry and be ready for your next cook.